Hello, my name's Yao Huabu. I'm a PhD student from Academy of Arts and Design, Tsinghua University. A majority of L2 English learners often encounter difficulties in improving their pronunciation. On the one hand, second language learners cause multiple mispronunciations that can hardly be noticed by themselves. On the other hand, we are lack of professional native-speaking English teachers. In offline English classes, exaggerated feedback has been an effective feedback strategy for teachers to rectify the pronunciation. The literatures have proven that visually exaggerated speech is capable of promoting the perceptual ability of learners. However, this direction has rarely been explored in the field of HCI. In this paper, we provide a personalized exaggerated feedback in a CAPT system named Pronunciation Teacher. Specifically, our system evaluates learners' pronunciation with real-time mispronunciation detection and diagnosis algorithm. Afterwards, personalized feedback is provided by the audio and visual exaggeration generators based on the MDD results. The whole working flow of the P-Teacher consists of two components: pronunciation training courses and audio-video corrective feedback generator. This photo is showing the working flow of the audio exaggeration generator. TTS model is used to synthesize neutral speech with given text. The generation level is determined by the accumulated score in the MDD results. Then, pitch, duration, and energy of selected phoning are exaggerated with the parameters of the corresponding exaggeration level with PyWorld. In this part, I introduce the realization of the visual exaggeration. We generate the exaggerated articulatory animation using the following methods. Increase the amplify of key articulatory movement. We modify the color of the tongue. Auxiliary graphics and supplemental texts are finally added in the audio experiment. To determine the optimal audio exaggeration ratios, we synthesize 800 speeches with different exaggeration level, including 0, slight, medium, and strong as test materials. Distinguishability rate, which indicates whether a listener can easily distinguish the exaggerated phoning in the exaggerated audio. The distribution and average of distinguishability rates demonstrates that the higher exaggeration level produces higher distinguishability rate. Understandability rate indicates whether the learner can still easily understand the exaggerated speech without confusion. The result shows that for the learners with high proficiency or low proficiency, the optimal exaggeration level is slight. Perceptibility score, which evaluates exaggerated speech's perceptual quality. Participants are asked to give opinion scores ranging from 0 to 5 in terms of perceptual exaggeration level. This result indicates that neither slight exaggeration nor strong exaggeration is good enough. The experiments on distinguishability rate, understandability rate, and perceptibility score apply a nonlinear fitting to find the optimal exaggeration ratios with reference to different phoneme types. The result is showing that all the best exaggeration ratios fall into the range of median exaggeration. 30 L2 learners are invited to participate in the visual perceptibility experiment. We find that the optimal articulatory movements exaggeration level is a slight exaggeration for learners with high proficiency, strong exaggeration for learners with low proficiency. The optimal tongue color is slight for learners with high proficiency, while strong for learners with low proficiency. We compare our system to 3 other systems. We find that the improvement rate of learners who are trained with P-Teacher is much higher than those who are trained with a non-exaggeration system or the non-personalizing system, and is comparable to those who are trained with human feedback. This is a demo.
In free text practice lessons, learners customize the lessons based on their needs. These lessons enable learners to train their pronunciation by recording their pronunciation, checking their pronunciation diagnosis, and providing exaggerated correction feedback.
These